In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a quiz that's not multi-page into a multi-page one. This also works for forms. This is using the JetFormBuilder. So if you want to build a multi-page quiz or form or application or what have you, then this is the video for you. Hi, I'm Bjorn from WPLearningLab, and let's get started. And now we have pretty cool looking quiz, but the problem is it's still all on one page. If I refresh out here, we will see all on one page. It would look way better if every question was on its own page. And it's really quick and easy to do. If we come back into our main quiz, click anywhere, switch to the JetForm block up here, scroll down to where it says Form Settings, turn on Enable Form Pages Progress, and then we have to add some more sections to the page. Click on the plus icon. We're going to add a Start Form, Start Page, Form Page Start, and then we're going to add a Form Break, Form Page Break after the first question. And that's really all it takes to make the first page. We can customize it a bit. There's a little grayed out next up here. We are going to click on the block and type in here next question. I'm going to add a previous question button so people can go back and forth. And we're going to add a label of progress. This is going to go at the top of the page where it shows each question as a little ball, as a little circle. You'll see what I mean in a minute. This is the text that's going to go below it. So I'm going to try to put in here question 1. There, did it. Page 1 is done. At the very end, we have to add a form start page again, I believe, before the submit button. Click on save. And now if I come back out here to the form itself or to the quiz and refresh, we should have just one page with the first question. And there it is. So this is what I was saying about the question label underneath the circle. We have the first page. We have our quiz options here. You can choose one, click on next question, and it goes to what's currently all the rest of the questions, which we're going to change in just a minute. So we repeat the process we just did over and over, except for the form break start. So we just add this one right here, this block. I'm just going to duplicate it, move it down below that question, change it, the progress to question 2, duplicate this again, move it down, change it to question 3, duplicate it again, move it down, question 4, duplicate it again, move it down, question 5, save. Now we have a page break for every question. Now if I come back out here and refresh, we should have a whole bunch more circles. There they are, question 1 through 5. Let's quickly go through this. I couldn't find good pictures for this, that's why there's no pictures. Next question, next question, next question. If you want to receive your quiz, enter your email. Of course, you can have whatever other fields you want as well. Submit, and then the form is submitted. On the last question here, on the number 6, it says last page, which doesn't sound very good. I prefer that to be something like results or get your results. To do that, we add another page break, and we put that at the very end. And I'm going to, for this one, go to block and turn off the next button and give it a label of progress. So it's really only there just for the progress label. Get your results. Click on save. And now when I refresh this page, it should say get your results back here. And there it is. Our super slick multi-step quiz is now complete, including PDF sent via email, score calculations. Your audience is going to love it if you build one of these for them, so I encourage you to do so. There's a link in the description down below to go to the JetFormBuilder homepage. Look through that. There's many more add-ons. There's so much more you can do with it. It is an awesome form builder plugin. Make sure you check it out and see if it can help you in your business. If you like what you see with JetFormBuilder, we just scratched the surface. Check out this video right up here. That'll show you even more features and functions the JetFormBuilder will give you. Check that out.